Hey everyone, this is Ethan Lieber here. I'm one of the founders of Latchel, and I have a question for you. How would you like to never take another maintenance call again and create a new profit stream while doing it? Okay, you're probably thinking, well, that sounds way too good to be true. I would love that. Sign me up now, but how's that possible? Or you're saying something else, in which case, if you said anything else, turn off the video, run away. But if you're interested in increasing profit streams and reducing the time spent on maintenance, then listen in, because I'm going to tell you about the 24/7 Home Assistant program that Latchel offers. With our 24/7 Home Assistant, we're using strategies that Greystar, Equity Residential, Avenue 5, big multifamily companies, we're using strategies that they've been using for years to increase profit stream. It's called a resident benefit package. We work with you to provide Latchel's 24/7 Home Assistant as a resident benefit. Well, what do the residents get? An extremely high level of service that normally is only experienced in high-rise luxury buildings. Our 24/7 Home Assistant picks up the phone within 60 seconds when your tenant needs anything. Any in-home need they have, they call Latchel. We respond like that. And they can text us or call us. Now, we have troubleshooters, an expert team, previous property managers, and some previous maintenance techs that get on the phone and troubleshoot with your tenant any issue they have. Again, 60 seconds, we're on the phone with them helping. Now, we go above and beyond just doing that for your tenant. We have a beautiful technology portal that shows as transparently as possible the maintenance process. It makes scheduling super simple. It follows up for anything they need. We send out appointment reminders. We ensure jobs got completed. Your tenants will love it. We normally rank 4.7 out of 5 stars on tenant reviews. Go check us out online. We do even better in the online reviews. Now, your residents get this awesome service. Your residents flip the bill for it because it's a resident benefit. And Latchel provides you all the addendums and resident offer letters you need to get started. So you don't have to worry about that. Now, what do you get? Because Latchel becomes the front line taking those requests from tenants, we screen all their maintenance requests. We troubleshoot them. We work with you to define the rules on who to dispatch, so you're not even dealing with the dispatching, the scheduling of work, the follow-up. We handle all of that. Now, you're still in charge of your maintenance. We're an augmentation to your team. So when things aren't following a normal path, your team gets involved and helps us get things back on track. Our portal is transparent for you and your maintenance coordination team, so you always know what's going on. On the backside, we're taking $2 for each tenant and paying that to you as profit every month. On an average 100 units company, you should expect $440 at minimum in new profit every month. If you have 200 units, make that $880. If you have 300 units, make that $1,320. New profit every month. What would you do with that kind of money? Would you grow faster? Would you take more vacations? Would you hire an assistant to help? Now I'm going to add some gravy on top here. If you're using Latchel's service provider network, we give you an additional 3% cash back on maintenance invoices as a new profit stream. And put that into perspective, if you're doing $10,000 in maintenance every month between, let's say, a couple hundred properties, maybe even 100 properties, $10,000, that's $300 you get as a new profit, 3% cash back. And that's not a markup. That's cash back as profit to you. If you have 100 units, now you're talking $740 a month in new profit stream. Now, if you love maintenance, which you shouldn't, maintenance is hard, but that's what Latchel's all about. We love maintenance. Maintenance, it's near and dear to my heart. And we want to do it for you. And I'm talking 80% of that routine work, the regular coordination stuff that just bogs you down. That's what we take over. And we take that over because we become the 24/7 home assistant for your residents. Now, if that sounds like a good deal to you, I suggest you download our pamphlet and book a meeting with our sales team to see if it could be right for you. It's a simple onboard process. We walk you through it the whole way. Now, fast forward 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year from now. By the end of the year, you're talking 20 grand, 30 grand, maybe even 50 grand in new profit stream every month. You're probably sitting pretty on a good financial year there. What would you do with a year like that?